good and safe.
My steel has only got a 20-inch blade. It's not big enough to cut into this log. Just can't reach all the way through. Well, I need to reach halfway through, and I can't do that with this little blade. So I'm limited by my equipment. Well, I've cut the twin forks off of that big log, that 5-foot diameter log, but I still can't move it. It's way too heavy, and unfortunately, there's all sorts of water down here. We've had a lot of rain, so I can't get the tractor in here right now, so it's gonna have to wait for drier times, probably sometime in May. I got the cedar tree that the other red oak knocked down. It's about 12 inches at the bottom, and up here at the top, it might be 6 inches. So what I'm gonna do is cut that in half, and I think I can drag it out of here with my mule. All right, we got the 12-inch or so cedar that was knocked down by the 5-foot diameter red oak. So I'm gonna haul it to the sawmill, and I'm gonna square it up. And then I'm gonna put it down and make a pole out of it over here for a wisteria trellis. All right, we've trapping gophers out here because our hay field is so rough you can't even mow it hardly. So we put the trap in the ground and come back and check it after about 3 or 4 hours.
Put a flag on it so we know where it's at.
Put a flag on it.
Woo!
So that is a gopher.
How many's that make since we've been here?
115 or something like that.
Pretty good. So this one, he filled up the hole. But now you see why we have to put flags out. You'd never find your trap. Flags was my idea, so you know. Wow, he carried that trap in the hole.
Or he just buried the hell out of it.
They have like a den.
Big cave.
Mr. Trailer's been doing pretty good today.
Number 2, right? Missed him, didn't we? Here's how you set it. You push down on this. This is the killing part right here. You push down on that. Put your thumb right there. Pull the little trigger in the gate. And that's how it's set. And then when the little pesky gopher comes up like Caddyshack, you'll hit that right there, and it's over.
And this is the reason we do it, because they destroy. And then when I try to mow, you get beat to death on your mower. All these little piles are gophers. See, they could go live over there, we wouldn't care. But no, they gotta live right here. So they gotta die. always have your gloves on. Number one rule in living with Kim Trailer. Always be prepared for anything. Accidentally got knocked over when we took down that big stump.
It was grappling the giant oak video.
And now we're going to use this to...
It's going to be a post or trellis to hold your wisteria.
Okay.
So we got to do, we need another board for our roof, our trellis roof. So I'm going to cut this cedar down over here. And we're going to take it to sawmill and make like a 2x8 out of it. probably saw me hesitating on this cut. So the board's gonna barely be big enough. So this is gonna span about 10 feet. So I wanted 3 inches. And I wanted to leave this side raw like this. Give me a little more strength. This side will be pointing up on the trellis. But it feels like it's gonna work. Just a hole full of mush. It's still going down. Straight. It's a little bit of ore from our land. A lot of sand and ore. All right, we're almost done. The plan is to move these timbers out, make them parallel. That's the plan.
So after taking down that red oak that died in 2011, it knocked over a cedar. So we used that cedar to build this so that our wisteria could grow up it. So we're hoping that we actually get some flowers this year. She's already blooming. Budding out, I mean. I think we're going to make her pretty happy. All this cedar was cut on the sawmill.
It's just kind of a rough trellis.
Yeah. We just did a real...
So we'll put little cedar limbs all the way across like a ladder. And that way it can get on top and it can run over and cover the whole compost shed. Come up, cover all that and all the flowers hang down. It'll have a little shaded area right here.